Hey guys, hello everyone. How are you? This is Prakriti, and today we are going to practice a pranayama, or you can say we are going to learn a pranayam, which is called as Anulom Vilom, or it is also called as Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Pranayamas are a very good tool to really slow down our breathing, to practice mindfulness, to understand that how our emotions, our mind, our thought, and our body is so interconnected. So if you haven't really tried pranayamas before, you can try it and see for your own self. I would recommend that at least just begin just 5 minutes every single day for next 10 days, and you will see a huge change in your own self. The kind of changes that you generally that the person experiences is not something that I can put it into words. So my suggestion would only be just try for 5 minutes for 10 days, and you will see a lot of changes in your own self. You will start to experience it. Now today we are going to start with, this is called as a pranayam which is called as Nadi Shodhan, or you can also call it as Anulom Vilom. Here we have been said that in yoga it is said that 72,000 energy channels are present in our body. 72,000 nadis are present in our body. When we do Nadi Shodhana, that is what we are actually doing is we are cleansing our energy channels. Now if you want to practice meditation, if you want to practice dhyana, which is again an element of yoga, the Ashtanga yoga, it is one of the element of the Ashtanga yoga. If you want to practice dhyan, we have to first practice pranayama, because it is through your pranic energy, when you start to expand, that is where you will be able to actually understand, or what do you say, like able to actually sit into dhyan. Before we begin with dhyan, we have to first cleanse the energy channels, or you can say the nadis. So here we are going to do this 5 minute of left nostril, right nostril breathing, or you can say that Nadi Shodhan. It's very simple. Right palm, we are going to get into a Vishnu mudra. So it is a kind of a mudra that again helps us in achieving the state of mind which is more and more which is more focused, which is full of awareness. So we are going to get into Vishnu Mudra. The first two fingers, it will be roll it inside your palm, and जो thumb है आपका, this thumb is going to be straight. Your ring finger and your little finger is going to be straight. And now you're going to, with help of the thumb, you're going to close your right nostril. You're going to inhale from the left nostril. Let the inhalation do not be very intense. It should be a natural inhalation, but a little slow than the natural. So if you are breathing 1 2 3 4 5 6, try and slow down and start with 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that way you just begin with your inhalation from your left nostril. Then with the help of the ring finger, I'm going to close both my nostril. So I'm closing both my nostril and holding it for 7 to 8 seconds. I'm going to hold my breath, and I'm going to focus on the sensations that I experience when I hold my breath. Alright, now coming on the other side. So then once I am holding it for 6 seconds or 8 seconds or 10 seconds, then I will exhale from my right side by closing my left nostril, exhaling from my right side, and then once again inhaling from the same side, once again closing it for 8 seconds, holding my breath and exhale, and then again I'm going to inhale. So the pattern, if you see, I'm going to inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale. Right? That is what the entire pattern of your Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is all about. Now let me get into the benefits of it. So the benefits are many, but I'm going to just say few of it. The benefits of any pranayam is so much more that only with experience you will come to know. But one of few of the benefits I can say is, first thing is that it really helps you to improve your immune system. Your immune system increases if you're doing Nadi Shodhana, because our energy channels are being cleansed. So you will definitely see that your immunity is increasing. Second thing, you will see that if there is any cough congestion, asthma, sinus, so these condition also improves. You will also see that your ability to concentrate and focus has also drastically improved. And even with Anulom Vilom, you will see that your digestion power is also improving, because when there is a lot of or you can say toxins present inside our nadis, it kind of hampers a lot of our digestive juices. So you see that your entire body is, and your entire mind is becoming very sharp, and your body is becoming cleansed, it's becoming cleaner. So that is the benefit of pranayama. Let us begin, and we are going to stay here for at least we'll be doing 5 counts of it, and then you take this forward. Do this every single day for 5 minutes, and you will see a lot of changes in you. Do let me know if you want to share anything, any of your changes. But before that, let's just begin once again with the pranayama. So and yes, when we start, your back should be straight, your shoulder, your chest should be open, and you can sit in sukhasana. You can also sit in any meditative posture like half lotus or full lotus. But अगर आप meditative posture में नहीं बैठ सकते हो, then simply sit in sukhasana. Sukhasana is just cross-legged posture, and then you begin. Now whenever you're doing any kind of pranayama, try and see that you're closing your eyes so that your full focus is on your breath. Otherwise what happens is our eyes is open, but then we keep looking here and there, and we are like thinking about that 10 years before, what happened just 10 minutes before, what is going to happen about corona, will this corona ever end, all these questions. So the idea is to close our eyes and focus on our breathing. That is the idea. Okay, so let's begin. I'm just going to do 3 to 4 rounds of it. So eyes closed, and थोड़ा सा जो हमारा body है, your torso को थोड़ा सा हमें push करना है, so that your tailbone, your hip is in one line, and your back is again in one line. So if you see my head, my neck, my back, my tailbone and my hip, it is completely in one line. There is no forward bending or backward bending. It's completely in one line, and that is how we sit for any pranayama. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to start with left nostril, closing my eyes. I'm inhaling. The other arm will be in Gyan Mudra, or you can simply place it over your knees as well. Holding it for 6 counts. Exhaling. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale from the same nostril. Hold. Exhale. Inhale from the same nostril. Hold. Exhale. Okay, so this was it about the Anulom Vilom or the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. I will see you all next video. I don't know what I'm going to come up with. This video is also very randomly I have shooted. बहुत ही randomly मैंने इसको बनाया है. but I think that's how it only works for me, at least, because if I plan a lot of things, it just does not, I don't know, it just does not shape up. So I'm not going to plan, I'm going to just put in some random video. You can keep checking. If you like, you can comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye. Namaste.